Here is a wonderful 2021 Dodge Charger. The Charger's advanced design lets you tap into seriously savage performance when you want it and save fuel when you don't. With 4 doors, it's a family-friendly muscle car that's surprisingly versatile. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel the exhilaration of raw muscle car power in the Charger. Come in for a test drive.